Hi and welcome back to Mike Makes It. Bit of an issue going on with my tea making. The AGA, the anodised kettle here, sprung a leak. It's aluminium, as I said, and I happen to have a TIG welder that's capable of doing aluminium. The only problem I haven't got anybody capable of welding it, apart from myself, and I'm a real novice at anything aluminium. But we'll give it a go. You never know. It could end well, could end badly. We're about to find out. But the first thing I've got to do is just clean the inside of the kettle a bit. It's gonna, if it works, I'll be happy. Buy me a bit of time because AGA are out of stock of these kettles in a minute. But there's a little pinhole here. If you get in that, see if we can get that. There's a little shiny bit. That's a pinhole. And you fill the kettle with water, start boiling it, and you get a little spout of water coming out, a little spray of water. So I'm hoping I can just give a little blip with a welder and be done, and buy me 6 months until they come back into stock. As I said, I got a feeling it's going to end badly because probably behind this there's some corrosion going on. We've had it a good few years now, the old kettle. I think there's some corrosion going on, and it's like rust on a car. Once you start tapping at it, you end up with a great big hole. So we'll give it a go, but first thing I'm going to clean a little bit of lime out on the other side of the metal here. Then we're going to take the anodised surface off here and give it a blast with the welder and see what happens. Well, I wasn't that wrong. You got one hole, let's have two. So I don't think it's going to work terribly well, but let's try. You never know, it might buy us time, as I said. So here we go. Stainless steel filler rod, of course. I'm running 100% argon. I've set it to 100 amps, which would probably be a little bit high. Not a lot of experience with this. I've watched a few videos. Some welding I've done with the aluminium has come out quite well. But because this is fairly pitted behind, I think it's just going to blow a big hole. But nothing ventured, nothing gained, so here we go. Right, okay, there's more erosion behind the kettle than I thought. So I don't think I'm going to be filling that today. Alright, on to Amazon, look for a new kettle. Thanks for watching.